Welcome to Visual Vocab English. Today, we're exploring essential words about personal information. Repeat after me to boost your learning experience.
Name. A word given to a person to identify them. My name is John. Last name. The family name given to people. His last name is Smith. Age. How many years someone has lived since they were born. Her age is 25 years old. Address. The location where someone lives. Their address is 123 Main Street. Birthday. The day someone was born. Her birthday is on June 6th. Birth date. The exact date someone was born. His birth date is April 3, 1990. Single. Not married. She is currently single. Married. Having a spouse. They got married last year. Passport. An official document used for international travel. He lost his passport while traveling abroad. Phone number. A set of numbers used to contact someone by phone. Her phone number is 123 to 456. Question. A sentence used to ask for information. He asked a question at the meeting. Answer. A response to a question. The answer to the riddle was a key.
Thank you for joining us on Visual Vocab English today. We covered important words related to personal information. Stay tuned for more exciting videos to enhance your English skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson.